Hey everyone, I just wanted to go through this little Amazon kind of haul that I did. You know, they had Prime Day about a week ago and I got in on that. So I wanted to go through some of the things that I purchased through Amazon and give you my feedback on some of the items. Some of them are really, really cool. Some, So we're gonna go ahead and get into that. I will link everything in the description box and I'll even have like the full picture of what it looks like and the name brand and everything. So let's get started. Okay, so this first thing that I have is really cool and I'm gonna come up here. This is a lighter. It's a USB lighter and let me get it up here really close so you can see it. So you flip this little switch right here, see it's turned blue, and you hit this little button. And I'll show you a video of what that looks like. This thing is very, very cool. I like it because since it's a USB, I can plug it and recharge it. I don't have to worry about disposing of other lighters, and I also don't have to worry about refilling with butane. So this thing, very, very cool. Really, really like it. This right here, and again, I'll get close. This is a bag sealer. And one end seals the bag, and the other one cuts the bag. So you would cut first and then seal. I'll throw in a video of what that looks like. But the thing that I really like about this is that it keeps your food really fresh. So I think that that's really helpful, especially if you don't want to waste food. So there's that one. Then the third thing that I have is one of those, you plug it into the wall and then it's going to have the little electric button that you can push to turn it on and off. So again, I'll put in a video of what that does and how that works. Now my next, and this one is really, really cool. This is probably one of my favorite things. This is one of those folding boards that you can have to fold your clothes. So I also will put that in there. But this, totally one of my favorite purchases. Wasn't very expensive, and I think that clothes look a lot better when they're folded with this, and I think they store better too because I think for some reason they're not so puffy. So there's that, my clothes folding board. Now these items are going to come together. I decided to do my spice drawer, so I got, and this is just one of them, I got the set of 36 spice jars. They're glass. I also got this spice drawer liner. This is a 10-foot roll. And then I also got the Dymo labeler as well. And I did the Dymo labeler because I wanted this to have more of a retro look. So that I thought looked pretty cool, and I'll insert that video. This, on the other hand, was probably not one of my favorite things, although it does work nice. I felt like it put too much space between all of my spice jars, so I didn't find it aesthetically appealing, so I ended up boxing it back up. I might use it for something else. There's nothing wrong with it, I just didn't like the way that it looked. So there's those three. So I also got these, I intended to get these for my refrigerator to put smaller condiments and packets in, but it can also be used for your pantry or possibly a desk. It's, I think, essentially a desk organizer set. So I got this, and it's got four of the same size, I guess smaller ones, and then a medium and then a large. So I think these are really good if you want to contain things. I do like this, and I'm planning on using it again in my refrigerator. So, and then for more storage, I got the Chef's Path. These are pantry containers. This was from a different set than this one, but they are both Chef's Path, and I'll kind of put you up close so you can see them. The thing I like about them is that they clip on four sides here, so that's good. Everything stays fresh. And then this container set, this one's got oats in it. It's kind of got, and I'll get up close so you can see it. It's kind of got this thing that pops. So that's gonna be a little bit more fresh. So yeah, big fan of these. Really like the chef's path. And then for these, this was the M Design Pantry. I think these were the M Design. These are the Pantry Bins. So also I have these. I do like these because they're see-through. And then you can see into them so you're not digging through to see what you have in your pantry. And then finally, for my cleaning supplies, I have a video with these Mop Socks on. They're this material that's kind of fluffy and fuzzy, but it makes it so when you're mopping, and you can use these to mop. I actually just use these when I'm mopping, so I have them on to not make steps in my area that I've just mopped. But you can use these, and I want to say they're like $8 or something like that. Again, I'll link everything. And then finally, I got these clear spray bottles, and they're glass. I think they're pretty well made. It's pretty nice, right? And these are, so I can use refillable all-purpose cleaner and put them in here, and I won't be using so much plastic when I'm using a refillable thing. So that's everything that I have. I will post everything in the links in the description, and the pricing that you see may or may not be accurate. It was accurate as of when I purchased them in October of 2020, but I hope that you really like some of these. And if you'd like to click those links, just keep in mind that it's an Amazon affiliate link, so I might get a little bit of credit. We're probably talking pennies, but I really appreciate it if you did do that. And if you have any questions, please leave them below, or any comments. I'd really appreciate it. And I would also really, really appreciate if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also share if you feel like it too. Thanks so much. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.